This video will demonstrate how to use the Group tool in Desire to Learn version 10.1. To access the Groups tool, click on Groups under Communication in the course navigation bar. Creating a group category will be the first step in creating groups for your course. Group categories will allow you to set the parameters regarding your groups. To get started, select New Category. Enter the name of this group category and type a brief description if desired. Click on the Enrollment Type drop-down menu to select how you want enrollment managed. If you select Number of Group, No Auto-Enrollments, Desire to Learn creates a specified number of groups and you assign students to those groups manually. If you select Groups of Number, Desire to Learn creates groups of the specified size and enrolls students in those groups automatically. If you select Number of Groups, Desire to Learn creates the specified number of groups and enrolls students in those automatically. Group of Number self-enrollment means Desire to Learn creates the groups of the specified size and students will enroll themselves in the groups. Number of Groups self-enrollment means Desire to Learn creates the specified number of groups and students will enroll themselves in this group. For the purpose of this example, we are going to select Groups of Number. Depending on what you selected for enrollment type, you will need to enter either the number of groups or the number of users per group. If for your enrollment type you selected Groups of Number or Number of Groups, you will have some advanced properties. These options are Auto-Enroll New Users and Randomize Users in Groups. You can choose whether you want Desire to Learn to automatically create discussion and Dropbox areas for you. Please note, if you select Set Up Discussion Areas, Desire to Learn will create a new topic for each group under the form that you specify that only the instructor and that group can access. If you select Set Up Dropbox, Desire to Learn will create a Dropbox that keeps submissions organized by groups. Any group member can submit to the Dropbox and Desire to Learn will place a submission within the correct group. If you do not select these boxes now, you can always create them at a later date by either returning to these group settings or creating the discussion topics and Dropboxes yourself and manually assign the groups to them. When you have selected all your options, click Save. You will now see the group category you created with the groups broken down. You'll see how many members are in each group and that you have not created Dropboxes and discussions. For information on how to manage group settings or add Dropboxes and discussions to groups, watch our Managing Groups or our Adding Discussions and Dropboxes to Groups videos in our Desire to Learn video library.